Start before you're ready. If you wait until everything is perfect, you'll be waiting forever. The truth is, no one starts with all the answers. Every successful entrepreneur, every top producer, and every industry leader once stood exactly where you are today, uncertain, inexperienced, and wondering if they were making the right decision. What separated them from everyone else wasn't talent, it wasn't luck, it was the decision to take the first step before they felt completely prepared. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes because of action. Every phone call you make, every conversation you have, every lesson you learn, and every challenge you overcome builds the experience that eventually turns into confidence. The biggest opportunities in life rarely come with guarantees, they come with possibilities. The question isn't whether you're ready, the question is whether you're willing to become the person you've always wanted to be. Imagine building a business where you're helping homeowners and businesses reduce one of their largest monthly expenses, instead of asking them to spend more money. Imagine creating real value by helping customers lower their energy costs while building a compounding residual income that continues to grow month after month. You're not just selling a product, you're building relationships. You're solving real problems. You're creating long-term income by helping people save money on something they'll continue using every single day. Every day you wait is another day someone else builds the business you could have built. Your future isn't decided by what you know today. It's decided by what you're willing to start today. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.